friends, today I have came to Changi Airport Terminal 2 and many changes have been made at Terminal 2. So today let's explore Terminal 2 together. So how beautiful it is, and as you can see behind me, it's very beautiful. Just take a look around. So behind me you can see over there, that is newly built over there. So let's go there. As you can see behind me, that is the giant digital waterfall display which is newly built at Singapore T2 terminal. So let's check it out.
As you can see, there is so much of crowd to see the digital waterfall. People are clicking pictures with the waterfall and recording videos of it. The digital waterfall is 14 meter tall and 17 meter wide. Every half an hour there is a 4-minute show over here. Huge and it's very beautiful. It gives the feel of a real waterfall. Even I enjoyed the view of the waterfall and took a few videos of mine, as you can see. There are so many stores over here at T2 terminal. You can do shopping while you're waiting for your flight. People are waiting to drop their baggages over here. T2 terminal was closed for 3.5 years and it recently got opened and it's fully functional now. So they have totally revamped the T2 terminal. As you can see, the carpet is so beautiful and vibrant. So let's go to the first floor now.
So now I came on first floor and you can see that is Chutney Mary. Over here you can get Indian food, like if you want to have samosa and all. Let me show you the food court over here. Chutney Mary, and you will get everything like samosa, idli, uttapam, everything. And it's Napa Ridge. It is mainly famous for white coffee because it's used as stevia as a replacement for sugar. So, and you can get over here eating items as well, sandwiches and omelette, everything. This is Go Noodles house, obviously famous for the noodles. And now you can see Western Grill over here. Here you will get all those items.
Here is a mural made of 150 Lego blocks. As you can see, it depicts all 3 terminals of Singapore, and you can take pictures over here. So this is the viewing hall, and from here you can see the flights taking off and landing. And if you want to sit over here and spend some time while you're waiting for your flight, so you can spend some time over here sitting and enjoying the view. So this is the mural. As you can see, the details over here, how it's made and its history, everything, even the fun facts over here. So you can see this planet, the flight. It's really beautiful. Even I clicked some pictures over here. This was a small garden made of artificial flowers and trees, and some real handmade paintings which you can see they're hanged around. There were some spots made over here for clicking pictures, and the flowers were really beautiful, and it was decorated in a well organized way. So you can come over here and click pictures, and the kids are going to really love it. The colors were really vibrant. There was one place where it was completely decorated with white flowers and white trees, as you can see. Even I enjoyed it and I took a walk around this, as you can see. The paintings were really beautiful.
So now I'm heading
So there
towards
is because
Jewel.
of that there is no queue over there.
So let's
at the
go over
airport,
there
and
and
it's
check it
so
out.
easy.
So you can
Now let's
see
move towards Jewel.
there's too much of crowd.
So this is the Jewel entrance. It's on the first floor and I'm ground floor and I'm on the first floor.
There is the kiosk lab where the kids can come and they can play. As you can see, they're drawing pictures over here. As you can see, a fish over here. I touched it and I felt very good. It's a very good spot for kids. You can spend some time with the kids over here. From T2 terminal to T1, you need to walk a bit. It's a bit longer. So the main thing about Singapore is that you need to walk because the places are a bit far. So there are escalators over there. You can use them so that you need to walk a bit less. As you can see, that is planted over there.
So finally I have reached Jewel and let me show you the view.
The view is mesmerizing and it's really beautiful. The color keeps on changing over here and music is played in the background. As you can see, people are sitting over there down and you can enjoy the view over there. Every day at 9 o'clock there is light and water show over here, which you should watch. And this is also called as rain vortex, which is made by HSBC. You can see the Sky Train over here. It is mainly used for transit from T2 terminal to T3 terminal. The view of the Sky Train moving across is also very beautiful. Some 900 trees are planted over here. In daytime, if you can see a lot of greenery over here. At night, you can enjoy the light. So it really looks very beautiful at night.
So that was Jewel. And now, so as you can see ahead of me, there is Christmas tree, a giant one. So Singapore is all prepped up for Christmas, and now wherever you go in Singapore, get Christmas vibes.
People are enjoying taking pictures and taking videos with the Christmas tree, and it's very beautiful, and it's really very huge, as you can see. So let's move ahead now. So at T1 there are many restaurants over there. If you want to have your meals over here, you can have. Ahead in the corner there is a baggage counter over here. So if you have a layover of 4 to 5 hours in Singapore, you can do an early check-in and drop your bags over there, and then you can enjoy the view at the airport, and you can really explore it. There are many things over here which you can see and enjoy, which is one of them was Jewel, the major one, which is because of which Singapore airport is so much famous. So this is the baggage counter. You can drop your bags over here. The 5th floor of Jewel, and here there are restaurants over here, so you can have your meals or tea, coffee, whatever you want. And on this floor there are many things which you can enjoy. So let's see what things are there which we can enjoy at this floor. This is the Canopy Bridge over here. We took the tickets over here. There is a ticketing counter and a kiosk machine as well. So you can purchase the ticket over there, and the view from here is really very beautiful. The bridge is made of completely glass, and it's really very high. So it was my first experience walking on a glass bridge, and I was a bit afraid to walk on the bridge, but it was a really good experience. It was totally green, and the lights everywhere. It was giving really very good looks. The waterfalls were looking small from so top. Yeah. So you can take pictures over here. There's no time limit to spend on the bridge. You can stay as long as you want to stay over here. And as you can see, there is a really less crowd over here. So the tickets are not that costly. It's $6 per person. So you can purchase it, and you can give it a try. And now the Christmas tree is looking so small from the top. After the Canopy Bridge, we came to the Canopy Park, and it was really beautiful. So you can take a look around over here. There are many things in this Canopy Park. There is Topiary Walk. So as you can see, there is owl. And there was one. These are the 3 wonders of Gandhiji. And as I told you, there is at 9 o'clock there is a light and water show which we missed because we were at the festival.
हमारे बर्ड राजा अभी अशर्फियाँ देंगे आपको। ये लीजिए अशर्फियाँ, ले जाइए अशर्फियाँ अशर्फियाँ अशर्फियाँ
Sharpia, Sharpia, Sharpia.
and the queen. Right?
Yeah.
तो हमने यहाँ पे अभी थोड़ी सी मस्ती की एंड आगे चलते हैं.
So we have parrots over here. Indian parrots हैं, साड़ी में क्या सब में parrots हैं.
ये पिकॉक था जो रियल फ्लावर से बना हुआ था एंड ये बहुत ही खूबसूरत था जैसा कि आप देख सकते हो.
We have here a sad teddy bear. Why is that? He didn't got honey to eat?
कैनोपी पार्क का. अब हम आगे चलते हैं.
So it's very beautiful. जैसा कि आप पूरे वीडियो में आपने देखा, तो मैं तो यही सजेस्ट करूँगी कि आप यहाँ पे प्लीज़ आओ एंड एन्जॉय. ये बहुत ही खूबसूरत है, तो यहाँ आना तो बनता है. एंड जैसा कि आप पीछे देख सकते हो वो रहा ज्वेल. एंड यहाँ पे 9 बजे डेली शो होता है, लाइट एंड वाटर शो, तो आप वो भी देख सकते हो.
अभी हम हाईएस्ट फ्लोर पे हैं ज्वेल के, दैट इज़ द 6th फ्लोर. एंड यहाँ से हमें ज्वेल काफ़ी छोटा दिख रहा था एंड बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल दिख रहा था. एंड प्लांट्स एंड लाइट्स काफ़ी छोटे छोटे दिख रहे थे, तो ये बहुत 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 ही खूबसूरत दिख रहा था. एंड यहाँ के टॉप फ्लोर पे यहाँ पे 2 स्लाइड्स हैं जो कि फ्री हैं, टिकट्स में इंक्लूडेड है, तो आप इसको एंजॉय कर सकते हो, जो मैंने ट्राई नहीं किया. बट अगर आप यहाँ पे आते हो तो आप ट्राई कर सकते हो. ये फॉगी बॉल एरिया था, ये टॉडलर्स एंड किड्स के लिए है. यहाँ पे अगर पेरेंट्स आते हैं बच्चों के साथ तो यहाँ पे आप उनको छोड़ सकते हो एंड वो यहाँ पे ये फॉग में खेल सकते हैं, एंजॉय कर सकते हैं. तो मैंने भी थोड़ी सी यहाँ पे मस्ती करी. अभी काफ़ी लेट हो चुका था, तो वो फॉग कम अमाउंट में रिलीज़ कर रहे थे एंड लाइट्स ऊपर के ऑन नहीं थे. इट वॉज वेरी लेट, लाइक 10 at night. एंड यहाँ पे एक छोटा सा एरिया था जो बहुत ही खूबसूरत था. अगर आप सिंगापुर में फ्लावर फैंटेसी आप गए हो तो वहाँ पे भी ऐसा ही डेकोरेशन आपको मिलेगा पूरे फ्लोरल फैंटेसी में, जो बहुत ही खूबसूरत है. एंड ये भी बहुत खूबसूरत है. यहाँ पे आप पिक्चर्स एंड वीडियोस ले सकते हो, आप डेकोरेशन देख सकते हो, पूरे फ्लावर्स से किए हुए हैं एंड ये बहुत ही सुंदर लग रहे थे. तो मैंने थोड़े से पोजेस दिए एंड थोड़े से पिक्चर्स क्लिक किए. तो ये रहा पेटल गार्डन. एंड जैसे कि क्रिसमस आने वाला है तो सारे डेकोरेशंस हो चुके हैं एंड ये बहुत ही खूबसूरत लग रहा था. पूरे लाइट्स एंड क्रिसमस ट्रीज एंड छोटे छोटे मशरूम्स जैसा कि आप देख सकते हो एंड ये बहुत ही खूबसूरत लग रहा था. तो अगर आप ज्वेल आते हो तो आप यहाँ पे ऊपर कैनोपी पार्क आके आप ये पूरा देख सकते हो एंड पूरा एंजॉय कर सकते हो. तो अगर आप यहाँ पे आते हो तो आपके पास 4 से 5 घंटे होने चाहिए ताकि आप ये पूरा एंजॉय कर सको। एंड अगर हो सके तो आप रात में ही आना यहाँ पे, क्योंकि आप फिर ये लाइट्स ऑन नहीं रहेंगे, आप दिन में आओगे तो आप ये व्यू आप मिस करोगे। तो यहाँ पे आप रात में ही आना।